Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 DS Dodge Ram 1500 Warlock. Stock reference number 5566. This shape runs from the 11th month, 17, and is the current shape. It has a 5.7 litre HEMI V8 petrol engine, a 5.7 litre, backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 5.7 litre HEMI V8 petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light smoked LED, tidy bumper bar, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage, soft tonneau cover, fold up type. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror, power fold type, and a right guard has no damage. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.